see right now, we are at the bird park. We're going to see the birds. Sophia, do you like birds? Do you like birds? Do you like birds, baby? Do you like birds? Okay. What are we gonna do here? We're gonna watch the bird show. Okay, this is you and Daddy, and today is 4th of July 2016, and it's so hot. Okay, say bye bye everyone. Later we're gonna see the show. Bye bye. Like this. Okay. The bird? You like it? Where's the bird?
I'll be walking up this net very close to you. Maybe a cooperation once more. Remain seated. Just stretch out your arm. Touch first.
Look, Sophia, look.
And just flying low above your head. If you look up, go over your mouth. Right. Right here. And forward.
Look there. Yeah, look, look.
Everyone ready? Bettina ready? Ready, go!
Papuntahin mo siya, ba't doon?
Yes, they did it! Thank you, Bettina and Sofia. Thank you.
You like it, Sophia?
Something more challenging. Chanel, I need the red book for Vegas. You've got a yellow bag. Vegas, fly blue or into that yellow bag. So, something in that yellow bag. Okay, everyone look. What has you got there in that yellow bag? Wow, good. A very small.
Ikaw, dito sa patingin.
Now, are you very sure
like it? Tia? So Tia, say hi. Tia, Tia, Tia. Look at Daddy. Tia, Tia. Look at Daddy.